Amosa. This is an Oriki given to a male child, and it means a child whom to know is to flee from. Ọmọ tá ti mọ̀ gẹ́gẹ́ bí ẹni tá máa sá fún. And that meaning is not negative at all. Amosa is a name given to a child who shall be feared. But the fearful side of this child is going to be experienced only by the child's enemies. The Yoruba know that when a person gives birth to a child, that child automatically, immediately inherits his parents' enemies. But this name, Amosa, is saying that this particular child is going to be dreaded by his enemies. When this child's adversaries know him, the only reaction is going to be that they will flee, they will run away. Amosa, to know this child is to flee from him. A name given to a strong child who shall grow into a man of valor, full of courage. Wàá Ṣere.